Hi, this is Mahbub Rahman, and you are watching Mahbub Rahman officially teaching. I just opened a books, and I'll give you like some some WH questions, and also I'll also give you WH questions rules, how to make WH questions. So this is most important for life, because when you will speaking in English and will when you will make a sentence like WH question, so you don't know how to make. So I'll give you. So you are watching WH questions, and right now, so how to make and how to kind of questions, difference between simple questions and WH questions. We ask questions to know something. These questions are of two types in English: yes no questions, seeking reply for yes or no; WH questions beginning with WH words, who, what, where, etc. Interrogative sentence formed with the auxiliary verbs to, have, be, and the modal shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might can be answered by yes or no. But those formed with the help of WH words cannot be answered by yes or no. They require some specific answer. Maybe you understand that what is yes no question, what is WH question. And I will expressing another example like that. Are you going to school? The answer is yes or no. If you say yes, the answer is yes. If you say no, the answer is no. Where are you going? You want to say yes or no. You must say I'm going to school. This is answer. But we must remember that the rules of interrogative patterns are the same in both in the cases. Now let us see the rules of interrogative patterns. An interrogative sentence, be verb. What is be verb? I am showing and I am writing be verb. So is, am, are, was, were. This is be verb. And we are also reading this this verb, am, is, are. So this is called be verb. Have verb, has and have, 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 and had. This is have verb. And shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, or must verb are used before the subject. So when you will make a question, then you will take the auxiliary verb like be verb, have verb, and modal auxiliary verb. You will take in the first of the sentence. Like that, he is a good boy. Is, if you take in the first of the sentence, then it will be interrogative sentence. He's a good boy. Is he a good boy? This interrogative sentence. He has a camera. Has he any camera? I shall go to Delhi. Shall I go to Delhi? Amar can do this work. Can Amar do this work? So another rules besides those verbs mentioned in rules 1. If there is any other verb, then do verb will come before the subject, and do verb will be changed according to the tense and person respectively. Like that. I play football. I play football. This is there is there haven't any others be verb or have verb or model auxiliary verb. You're watching this sentence. I play football. Subject and verb one, or you can say present form. Subject verb others or object. So I play football. So if you make an interrogative sentence, do I play football? He plays football. Does he play football? He played football. Did he play football? This is present tense. This is present tense. Also use third person singular number, subject third person singular number, and he played football. This is past indefinite tense. So you'll make did and you will take did. Did he play football? If there is any interrogative word I or E, like who, whose, whose, whom, which, what, why, when, where, how much, then it will be placed before both the places of above mentioned cases. Like WHQ with B have modal etc. Who are you? At first you is you take WH question what, then be verb or be verb, then you will make a interrogative sentence. Who are you? WH questions we do support. Whom do you want? You are using do verb do. This is present indefinite tense. Whose book is this? Where do you live in? Which is your pen? When does she sleep? Who can run fast? Why do you come here? Where will you go? How does she write? How many sisters have you? How much milk do you want? Which one was absent? Which school do you read in? Note: WH words are placed before the both types of verbs. Be verb, be, have, shall, should, will, would, may, might, and do verbs. Another important point: if you like to make an interrogative sentence, negative sentence, non contracted from, we should usually place not before a noun but after a pronoun. Is not Amar going to school? Is not Amar going to school? Is used, it is used not before a noun. Is he not going to school? Not after a pronoun. However, the shortened from the verb plus not, don't, doesn't, can't, etc. is always placed before a noun or pronoun. Doesn't, can't John do this simple task? Doesn't, can't he do this work? Maybe you understand that WS questions and also how to make a questions. Note: don't forget to put asking sign. WS interrogation mark. You can say asking sign after WS question. Otherwise, the interior answer will be treated as a wrong. This is more important. This is most important thing. If you like, I am writing a question words like, are you going to school? if I don't take asking science, this is wrong sentence. But if I take right WH questions, then it will be right. So WH words may be classified into three groups. Are you watching? And if you have any problem, please comment. Interrogative pronouns: who, whose, whom, which, and what. Interrogative adjective: what, which, and whose. Interrogative adverbs: when, where, how, and why. These WH words are used to get information from a sentence. So, framing with WH questions. WH questions means the questions that are formed with WH words in the first place. The WH words are who, whom, whose, which, what, when, where, why, and how. WH words. Maybe you are watching. For person: who, nominative; whom, objective; whose, possessive. For thing: what, nominative; what, objective; which, nominative; which, objective. For choose: both person and things. You also used person and things. Which, nominative; which, objective. For interrogative adverbs: when for the time, where for the place, why for reason, how for manner, quality, quantity, etc. So this is I was reading two pages in these books. So maybe you will get some knowledge in these books, and tomorrow or if I have chance, I will give you another video. If you have if you got knowledge, please comment, and I'll give you and another books, and I'll give you another things. So so today I don't want to right now, because the video will be increasing in long time. So bye bye today.